Welcome to 6th grade math. It is Monday. As you can see, Peppa Pig and the robot have taken over the camera. All right, so let's go ahead and go for today. I'll be up there in just a second. All right, welcome to class. A little bit of snow outside. It's a beautiful day. Kind of looks like a snow day. Anyways, let's go ahead and go over a couple of these that I think that you need to work on a little bit more. And this is probability for the area. Now, I think what I've seen missing is that it's actually asking, for the probability of the shaded part of the rectangle. So you're throwing darts at this thing, and you want to know what's the chance of randomly that you would hit your dart inside there. So to win, you have to hit it in that shaded part. So this shaded part has an area of 2 by 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. And then you want to put that over the area of anywhere on this rectangle where the dart could hit, which would be 8 times 10, which is 80. And 6 over 80 reduces to 3 over 40. And to be truthful, that's all I want for right now. You can get a percent out of it, but I'm happy with that for right now. For this one, there's 2 shaded areas, so that means you win if your dart hits this shaded area or this shaded area. So what we need to do is to find the probability of hitting the shaded area again. It would be equal to the area of this one, which is 2 times 2, 4, plus the area of this one, which is 2 times 3, or 6, all divided by the area of the whole thing. It could hit anywhere in here. It could hit here, here, or the white. So 6 times 10 is 60. 4 plus 6 is 10, and that's over 60, which equals 1 over 6. Okay, and so that would be the answer, 1 over 6, and you can change that to percent if you want to. All right, the other thing I want to talk about today was independent probability. And that means that more than one event is happening. So this is happening, and then this is happening. And when that's true, you need to multiply your fractions together, or your probabilities. So I gave an example here. Let's say you had a dime. A dime has a heads or tails on it. And you had a cube has a 1 through 6 on it. So we'd have to do the probability of getting heads when we flipped our dime would be 1 chance out of 2 times the chance to get a 4 on the cube when there's 6 numbers. There's only 1 4, so that's 1 chance to get a 4 out of 6. And so 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 6 is 12. All right, on the next one example I gave, the probability of getting heads on the dime would still be 1 chance out of 2. Times, if I don't want to get a 5, I could get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, or a 6. So that's 5 ways I could win, because I don't want a 5 out of 6. I'd multiply these together, and I would get 5 over 12. And the last example, probably getting a tails. Well, we can get a tails. It'd be 1 chance out of 2 to get tails on the dime, and then multiply that by the chance to get an 8. Well, if a cube only has 1 through 6 on it, there is no 8. So that means there's 0 chances to get an 8 out of the 6 things you could get. And the answer to that is 0 over 12. But 0 divided by 12 is equal to 0. So basically that means that's impossible to happen, which if you think about it, that makes sense. All right, so I hope this helped. Today you're going to do some review problems. Nothing new, just working on the old stuff. Hope you have a great day. Build a snowman.